Hi Mans, welcome to the channel. Latest invention, idea. Basically, I have a bath in the morning, bath at night, shallow one, but the water goes down the plug. Got a little water problem going on in the UK at the moment for all kinds of reasons, which we won't get into. So I came up with an idea I had a little while ago. Anyway, 230 litre water butt, a bit of pipe work from tool station, and the ends and some clips and the valve. I'll just go through it with you now. But the idea is basically to divert the water from the bath to the butt. That can then, I've got a caravan pump coming, which is a tenner. That pump was 12 volt. I've got power outside, so I'll have a switch, and basically my partner should be able to water the garden to heart's content with bath water, which will be cool and cold by the time she's coming to use it. And basically I think it's a good way of conserving water, to be honest. I genuinely think we're going to need, we could do with an IBC in the garden, a clean one. Bath water, not maybe the dishwater, because you know you've got washing up liquids and bleaches and everything, but bath water, you know, okay, you might have shampoos in there, but again, if you're conscious enough and you don't use, I don't know, chemical based shampoos or something. I don't know, see how it goes. But it's an idea. It hasn't cost a lot more. What I've got here is a water butt from the Fix. That was $49.99. It's 230 litres, I think. And all the feet and everything are inside it. Got the pipe work there from tool station. One mistake I made is basically I bought the pipe work originally, but I got solvent fixtures, or solvent pipe with press fit fixtures. They don't work. Everything's got to be press fit or solvent fit. So the pipes solvent press fit. These are press fit, and then obviously the connectors to go on there. So I'll show you the ball valve. Ball valve was 13 quid off eBay. Now that's a 40mm diameter, and the pipes are 40mm. So inside there's a ball valve. So basically that would be straight out to soil pipe, and then I'll turn the valve and that'll go from that down to the water butt. And in the winter, if this is full, I'll have I'll make a bracket or something, a chain or whatever, a rod, and be able to change the valve at the side. That one there was a 32mm, totally wrong, it was $9.99. I think that was £14. I'll put links where I got the stuff from. Right, that's from the bath. Goes along there, straight to the soil pipe. So what I'm doing is going to put that valve just by the soil pipe up here, about there. That'll go across with, sorry, it won't come across, it'll come down. It'll come down here a little bit, go across to my pergola and go down there, and put the butt, putting the butt at the bottom down here. But ideally I might put the butt there in the corner, so it's basically just going straight down into the water butt, and then move these plants we've got here out of the way. Right, so this is the setup now, all finished. So we've got the water butt that goes up to the valve there, and I just need to turn the handle 90 degrees downwards, and then that means the water will go back down the main drain. Say with this butt's full, I'll work on something that does it automatic. So when the butt's full, it'll automatically change that valve. Got some ideas for that, easy. And then that just goes along where the existing pipe was. So that pipe there is Imperial, I think, because the joints are 40mm, but anyway, just a little bit of scraping of the plastics, it's all sorted. So yeah, I've done it this way. I was going to do it another way. I was going to put it straight across the pergola and then put it down here, but changed my mind. It's far more economical to put that there. So yeah, another little invention there. That'll capture the bath water and the basin water only, not the toilet. The toilet, if anyone wants to know, that's the toilet and that's the water overflow for the cistern. But I've been thinking of an idea of using this water for the cistern, because why are we using clean water to flush the toilet? Or is that minging? God knows. But using blue blocks and Jace fluid and God knows what in the toilet, which you do. So that's a soil pipe going down there. Not every house is the same as that, but most, as a landscaper, most houses I've seen are very much like this. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. It's only a short one. Cheers, thank you.